It's Jordan the 1031 Doctor, and today we are looking at a Ross Dress for Less in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's traded on the Nasdaq. Their stock is ROST. It's S&P triple B plus credit rating, investment grade. Strong company, 20 billion in annual revenue. And I have to tell you, my late mother would go there almost every day and just to find things. And there's a story about my mother when she passed away. There was a return that we had to give to Ross Dress for Less. And it was a jacket, and my brother and sister were fighting over it because they didn't want to return it, and it was a keepsake because it was my mom's last purchase. So we hold Ross Dress for Less very dear in my family, and I used to go with her sometimes, and it was hard to get her out of the store. So I know this store, this company is a great company. They do a great business, and my mom was a very smart woman. Anyways, let's dive into this thing. The 1031 Doctor's been buying, building, selling, leasing triple net investments in commercial properties since 1986. And we will give you a complete analysis of any triple net deal or commercial property within 24 hours, starting at $299. Let's dive into this deal. Okay, so here's a picture of the Ross. You see they have some satellite space here, and it's also anchored by a Mexican market. And so that gives you an idea of the demographics to the property. And in this deal, it's not a full triple net deal, but I'll tell you, there's some things that are good about this deal and some things that are not so good about this deal. And then let's talk about the good. The good is that they've been there for 40 years. And the traffic at this location is 81,000 cars per day. That's a tremendous amount of traffic. And if this went vacant, you would have an easier time finding a replacement tenant because of that traffic count. The other interesting thing is their rent to sales ratio is 4.3%. Anytime you get under 5 or 6, that shows that the store is profitable. And they're making money there. So the odds of them canceling after this next 3-year term is up are kind of low. But for a little situation, I'll tell you here in a minute. They have 3 5-year options to extend, 10% increases at each 5-year period, which is standard. Now, Desert Inn and Eastern is a great intersection, high traffic, like I said, but it is on the east side of the 15 freeway. Property values on the east side are not like they are on the west side. It's definitely different when it comes to retail. So the average household income is 73,000, which is exactly the sweet spot for Ross. And there's a 500,000 people in a 5-mile trade area. There's also a major hospital close by, a lot of other retailers, and you got the convention center, one of the largest in the world, very close to this, about a mile away from this property. So this is not a bad location. This is very good real estate. There's another picture of the property. They've got DD's discounts. They always go hand in hand. Here's a look at the back of the property that doesn't do you any good. But that's how the property sits. Now you notice that the parking lot is in decent shape, but you see there's some, like most parking lots, you'll see some separations and like this, especially when you get in the hot Las Vegas desert and the change between weather, cold winters and hot summers. You're going to have cracking all over the place. You're going to have issues with your roof. You're going to have issues with everything, especially the air conditioners. So keep that in mind when you're dealing in a volatile weather area like Las Vegas. And let's keep going. So it's a 31,000 foot building, 2.5 acres, and it's within a shopping center. So this ESR, yeah, that's basically an easement, parking lot agreement. And they report sales, which is interesting. And like I said, it's a double net lease, and it's a 6 cap, $6.8 million. So it's not a cheap deal, but these triple net deals now, 6 million isn't actually a lot of money anymore. But in the old days, it definitely was a lot of money. 6 million doesn't buy you what it used to. High traffic location, yes, definitely. Roof replaced in 2024 with a 20-year warranty. You want to see that when you're dealing with a double net lease, that's for sure. Generational opportunity to own commercial real estate in close proximity to both downtown Las Vegas and Las Vegas Boulevard. That's true. So the real estate here is tremendous. And so they're saying 46,000 cars. So East Desert Inn Road and Eastern, which combined average of 81,000. But on this East Desert is 46,000. Okay, that makes sense. That's basically it for that page. Year built 1970, so this is older. And 31,000 feet, we said that. Now here's what I wanted to show you. Here is the Ross here that we're looking at. And this is a great, great, great intersection. Here's the hospital. Here's the convention center. Here's the Las Vegas Country Club. So this is a really, good piece of property. This is a major intersection. And I don't think you should have a big problem with that. This is La Bonita and Didi's. Those are the other tenants. So this is the big shopping center here. And this is closer to that street. So it's closer to the intersection. Now, here's the problem. About a mile and a half away, you have another Ross. And now, while Ross is expanding these days, I think they're going to build another 100 stores. But this is pretty close, and they're up in options here. And if they're up in options here, they may just close one of these deals, and they may close the one that's older, or they may close the one that's newer. We don't know. What I would do is I would employ Placer.ai, which is an amazing artificial intelligence tool, and you could find out, or I'll do that for you. Placer.ai is not cheap. Which one they're most likely to close, if at all. They may want to have two in that area. I mean, there's definitely strong enough reason for it to have two stores. That's not a big issue. Anyways, if you're interested in this deal or you like the content of this video, you can please like, subscribe, and share. And by all means, if you're in an exchange and you need some help, reach out to me, Jordan at 1031doctor.com, or you can call me at 310-721-7375. Have a great day.